You gotta say action when we start filming.
Oh, okay. You mean to make you start filming or when he starts?
Well, I'm already filming.
Yeah, you guys filming.
We're on our way to this ledge spot that's really popular right now. A lot of people are filming there. A lot of clips on Instagram have been going down there.
I've yet to see one clip on Instagram at this spot.
Ziggy.
Did he post something?
Someone did.
Was it Ziggy?
I don't know.
I heard he's better than you skating.
Yeah, you hear that.
Seen it.
I'm coming for you, Ziggy. Fuck you, bitch.
We gotta show the camera the meme that you made.
Oh,
That
yeah,
shit's
yeah.
so good. Right? It's so good.
Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. No more vans, guys. Everyone's been asking me. Johnny Layton said that he doesn't want any fucking stupid YouTubers on his team.
I mean, you know.
No, I'm just kidding. But you know, the lady that used to give me shoes doesn't work in that department anymore. So I don't have I no longer have a plug.
What other department does Vans have?
She works in the military department now.
Vans?
Vans has a military department where they do retail shoes for the military. Like militaries have special stores within their camps, apparently. I didn't know this, but she works in that portion.
I just picture like a tank doing a wall ride, like off the wall.
A tank. Yeah. This is the best wax ever that you can buy. You can find it at Hobby Lobby, but it comes with like 4 blocks. This is what's up.
Actually, if you can get the kind that's clear and doesn't have the white stuff in it, which is harder to find in this size to buy.
Oh yeah, that shit is
it's
good.
The same stuff, it's a little bit better.
Yeah. So kids, if you're looking to vandalize, this is how.
Hold up, don't do that. You're the worst. Nail it! Woo, first try. I hate cavemen. Okay.
That's a good idea.
Not cavemen, I hate cavemen.
Watch out, let me do it.
No, I'm doing it. It's my turn.
Okay. I already did it for the record.
No, he didn't. He's never even tried. He took a run up earlier. He took a run up on a cave.
Yeah, Dave over here is just trying to make me look bad.
I can't do it. You can't call me Dave.
Alright,
I don't like
get his
cavemen.
bat. Get his bat. Go.
You're actually a bitch if you can't.
Go. It's still.
Dude,
Go.
this is alright. Keep
Really?
rolling, bro. Here I come.
He's lying. He's not gonna do it.
Dude, I don't like. Dude, this shit's scary.
You're not gonna. You haven't even run up.
I was gonna do it, and then he fucking rubbed his board.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's gonna slide. It might slip out. I really don't want to cave me on boards like this.
I think you do.
It feels awful. I feel like I'm gonna get hurt.
He did it from the 4th block.
He bulldogged me so hard.
Did he stop recording again?
He did.
I did not actually. It's
It's
still
still
filming.
recording?
It's still
I don't
recording.
know. I think he stopped
Yeah.
filming. If you drop it on there, that's gonna be a mistake.
Yeah, that'll probably make like Thrasher.
It'd be like Thrasher.
It'd be like Thrasher. Look at he's flexing his Gucci shirt.
I'll hold you. I'll hold the board too.
Dude, this is the new cover art
Fucking 65.
I
for slamming. Just get on up there. Yeah, yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right.
I just need to fucking come over here. This isn't fucking working.
Did you hit your head? I'm gonna go caveman. Alright.
Welcome to Dale's channel. This is fucking gross, dude.
So I'm gonna post this every single time that I get mad and angry. I'm gonna make myself put it in a video to try to help me to stop acting like a child at the skate park when I don't get what I want.
Did it. In a line. Yo, that shit was fire. That was sick.
Oh, that's so bad. One more. Oh, so bad!
All right, bro. Gotta hit the vape.
How high is it set on?
It's set on really high. 100 Nick.
Not that bad.
All right, get it. I told Pierre if he didn't land that last one, he had to hit the vape.
Lightheaded and all that.
Fucking proper shit.
Oh man.
Good. That was amazing. You want to do it again or no?